Good morning, fifth grade. Today is Tuesday, May 11th, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about your activity that you're going to do for science today. You should have come up to the school already and gotten your bag, which just has a transparent cup and a bag of M&Ms. And today what we're going to do is called the Floating M STEM Lab activity, and this is just for fun. We all know that M&Ms have that M on the top of it and the candy shells. So basically at the top of your lab sheet, which is, you'll have to download it into Notability, it talks about how the M&Ms have an inner layer with an outer candy shell, and every M&M has the letter M printed on the shell. The M is made of some kind of vegetable dye that has oils in it. What substance do we know that does not mix well with oil? Well, it's water. Let's mix them and see what happens. So what you're going to need as well is your iPad for a stopwatch. So at the bottom it says, what do I think my experiment will look like? So you can just draw a cup. If you have more than one cup at home, you can use 6 cups because those are the colors of M&Ms I hope that you have in your bag. I hope you have red, green, orange, yellow, blue, and brown. I hope you have those 6. If you don't, you might have to double one of your colors. But if you have 6 cups, you could do this with the 6 cups. Here at school, I'm only giving the students 1 just to conserve. So again, you can either fill 6 cups up. I would put your M&M in the cup first with the M up, and then fill with water. And it doesn't need to be much. You know, if your cup's this big, you can just fill like 1/4 of it. You can put, again, all the M&Ms in the bottom of the cup, or you can do 6 different cups. Just make sure that M is sticking up. Now, for the kids here at school, since they're putting all the M&Ms in the same cup, I'm gonna have them draw where they place those M&M colors, because the colors are going to dissolve off of those M&Ms. So on the back here, where it says what color M&Ms do you have, you need to write down, hopefully you have all 6 of the colors. Again, if you don't, you might have to have like brown 1 and brown 2. What do you think will happen to the water down below? So what do you think is going to happen to that clear water? Another one is, what color do you think will float first? What that means is what M is going to float first. And then how many minutes do you think it will take to see the first M float? So the M is actually going to come off that M&M. So how long do you think it's going to take? And then it just says lab start time, which you really don't need that. So as you start, what you'll need to do is you will use your iPad and start the timer. Okay, so it will start. So let's say you get to 2 minutes and 13 seconds and you see the orange M&M's M float to the top. You are going to stop your timer real quick right next to where you have orange up here, wherever you put it. You're going to put 2 minutes and go to the 100th place. 13 seconds. Then start it again, okay? And then let's say the green M starts floating. Stop it. Let's say your green you have here at number 6. Let's say it took 4 minutes and 1 second. So you would put 4.01 minute. Go to the hundreds. Start it again. Okay, you're going to do that for all 6 of your colors. And then tomorrow in math, Miss Hal is going to have you do an activity with the how much time it took for your M's to float. Okay, so this is for fun. Obviously you can eat the leftover M&Ms while you're either waiting for the M's to float or afterwards. I tried this out Friday on my own when I was here at school before I had my meetings, and it's amazing. Like these, you're gonna see these M's float to the top. I thought they were kidding me, but it's not. So oil and water do not mix, and it definitely shows that these M's are made of oil. I hope you guys have fun with this, and I'll talk to you guys soon.